Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Up London. Do you ever get confused about when to say at, on or in? Well, you're definitely not alone. These little words can cause big problems for English learners. But in this short lesson, I'll show you exactly how to use them clearly, simply, and with very easy examples that you'll never forget. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to tell us which prepositions you struggle with the most. Let's get learning. So, why are prepositions confusing? Prepositions can be tricky because they don't always translate directly from your language into English. For example, in English we say I'm on the bus, not I'm in the bus. Now, both make sense, but only one sounds natural in English. That's why it's better to learn prepositions in context, not by memorizing long lists of words. And if you'd like to build your grammar and confidence, check out our general English courses at Speak Up London. They'll help you master tricky grammar step by step. Let's look at the general meanings first. At is for a specific point or time. On is when we're talking about a surface or even a day or date. In is for an enclosed space or for a longer period of time. Keep these ideas in mind as we go through each one. Okay, so let's look at using at first. We use at for a specific point or time. She's at the bus stop, or the train arrives at 6 o'clock. Think of at like a pin on a map. It shows an exact spot or time. Now let's look at using on. We use on for surfaces or for days and dates. For example, the book is on the table. The poster is on the wall. My birthday is on Monday. We also say things like on the bus, on the train, and on the phone, among many others. Now let's look at using in. Now we use in for enclosed spaces or maybe for longer periods of time. So she's in the kitchen and I was born in 1998. We also say in London, in summer, in the morning, and many others. So let's quickly compare them. Place, at, a point. She's waiting at the door. On a surface. The keys are on the table. And in an enclosed space. They're in the room. At is precise, like meet me at 8 p.m. On is for a day or a date. The concert is on Friday. And in is for a longer period. So we traveled a lot in summer. Let's look at some common expressions too, because most expressions don't follow the rules. So it's best to learn them as phrases instead. With at, we can say at home, at the weekend. With on, we can say on holiday, on the internet. And with in, we can say in love or in a hurry. Okay, let's practice. Fill in the blanks with at, on, or in. I'll meet you at the park at 5 o'clock. She was born May. He's waiting the bus stop. The answers are in, at. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below. So remember, at is for an exact point, whether this is time or place. On is for a surface or a day or date. In is for an enclosed space or maybe a longer period of time. Now, don't worry if you make mistakes. That's all part of learning. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel and sound. And if you'd like expert feedback and practice, check out our general English courses at Speak Up London. We'll help you write and speak confidently in real English. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your own examples of at, on, and in. See you in the next lesson, and keep speaking up.